Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix this error you get when you're on a Google Meets meeting. Okay, so if you have your camera on and you want to add like a blur background or a custom background, right, you will see this error. Configure your browser for visual effects. To use visual effects, turn on hardware acceleration in your browser settings. So this option is basically, or this error comes when a specific option in your browser is turned off. All right, so there's two ways to fix it. The first way may not work for everyone. It didn't work for me, so I had to do the other way, right? But they're both relatively simple. Okay, the first one is you have to turn on hardware acceleration. So I'm using Microsoft Edge. If you're using Chrome or any other Chromium-based web browser, the steps are the same exact steps. So just follow me. It'll work anywhere. So first what we want to do is let's go to settings. Okay, now we're at settings and you can see over here hardware acceleration. I already have it here, so I'll just click it. And if you don't see it there, you can go into system and performance, and over there you'll see this: use graphics acceleration when available. So make sure this is enabled. For me, this was already enabled, but I was still seeing the error, so this wasn't the solution for me. But if yours is off and it's not working, so you just turn it on and restart your browser, it should be working. And if it's still not working, then we'll go to step 2. Step 2 is we're going to change the custom flags on Chrome or on your browser. All right, and the way to do that is we go here and we go to, I believe if you're on Chrome, you should do Chrome://flags. Okay, I'm on Edge, so it's the Edge flag. If you're on another browser, it may be something else. Just Google it, you'll find it. All right, and what we want to do is search for this override software rendering list. All right, and you want to make this enabled. Okay, so there may be something on your computer, or I don't know, somewhere on your graphics card, or somewhere, right, that it's stopping it from using the GPU acceleration. All right, so we want to override it and always use the acceleration. Only then that error that you've seen, only then that error that you've seen will be resolved. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you do this, obviously restart your browser, and then your error should be resolved. So if this video helped you, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want other cool tutorials and error fixes, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.